Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife. We're back for another one. And today we're cleaning up this closet because it looks a mess. Clip here of the messy closet. We're cleaning this closet, putting it all together, but I also wanted to show y'all some new stuff that I bought because I haven't bought new things in so long, it feels like. And maybe I'm gaslighting myself, but I feel like it's been so long. So I was like, ooh, in the spirit, have a little bit of extra expendable change. Let me get some stuff. And now I'm like, ooh, let me show the girls what I got. So first things first, you to the people. We got some green tea, spinach, vitamin cleanser, whatever. I was a skeptic, but she's tea. Then I got these extra strength daily peel pad thingies from Dr. Dennis Gross. These are really good. I've been getting some like texture on my face right here and like on my forehead. I don't know if it's heat or whatever, but I brought those back in my life. I got some press-ons. I actually got two pairs of the little minis I have on right now, and then these ones, they're like a little yellow French tip, really cute, butter yellow, you know, for the summer. I just got some coffee ground thingies. I also got this little portable, but basically has a USB-C on one side, and then it has two SD card connectors on the other side, so I can get stuff off my camera to my phone much faster, because I want to use this camera not only for my vlogs, my videos, but I need to start taking some more pictures outside. Like, my Instagram is weak these days. All right, next I got just a couple of these little lens covers. Once again, if I want to bring my camera out some more, I want it to be protected, especially that lens. So I got that as well. And I also got another one size ultra pink powder. I really like the ultra pink, so I've been doing the ultra pink. So yeah, that's what I got from Amazon and Sephora. Now I have been at the TJ Maxx's and Marshalls as well, so, and Old Navy. So let's get into that too, because I got a couple things. Okay, this might be so basic, but I got flip-flops. Like, for some reason I got all the little cute sandals, but I don't have just a flip and a flop. And I went to a pool party this weekend, so I said, let me get some flip-flops. Old Navy, $2. So obviously I got two pairs. I got black. I got a black pair, and then I got this cute bright pink pair. Like, how cute. If you get them, which is just size up. I'm usually a 7. I got an 8. They fit very well, so I got those. Then I bought these earrings because y'all, if you remember, if you know, you know, the little Bottega like gumdrop, whatever, teardrop earrings. I used to have both gold and silver, broke them or lost them, whatever. So I was like, let me re-up on these because they were doing like buy one get one half off or buy one get one free or something. Amazing. And then I'm going to a bachelorette trip, and there's some themed nights, and one of them is like a blue and white themes. I got this dress. It's really cute. It's probably too washed out, but just a cute little baby doll dress. Put on some sandals. The bachelorette trip is out on the beach, so I'm just like, you know what? Perfect. I also should just pack my bags. I feel like the trip's coming up so soon. I went to Marshall's. Actually, this is from TJ Maxx, and got these fire little kitten heels. Get into them. Are they not the cutest things? The cutest things. Like, they're the cutest things. She's hot, she's cute, she's sexy. Really love them, really comfortable. I'm obsessed. And then I bought some other tops because I'm trying to clean out my closet, but also trying to get new stuff that I really enjoy. And so I just bought a couple things. First is this little top, which matches those citrus heels perfectly. As you can see, it's just a tube top. It's just like a little fun design. They were having a sale, $8. Why not? Very stretchy. I'm into it. I will probably match it with those heels, maybe a white capri or maybe a jean. I'll see what I can do. Another option for the white capri, I was thinking it was this top because it's very cute. It's like green, floral. I have ideas, and I think this could be very cute. So I bought this, a cheap little $13 top. Next thing, which is the reason why I went in there, is another thing for the bachelorette trip themed night. We're doing like a sunset theme. So I got like a pinkish purplish cream, some yellow dress. It's cute on, and it kind of gives a theme. So I bought it, and if I don't see anything else, I'm gonna wear it. But I think I probably will wear it. I don't even know if I'm gonna really do too much searching. And it was $13, so I was like, yeah. Okay, and I think that was it. Actually, there was one more top, but I wore it last night and I didn't take any pictures, and I gotta wash it. So sorry to that man, but yeah, that is just a couple of fun things that I bought. Nothing too crazy, and I'm actually very excited. I'm excited to put them on, go places, have fun, blah blah blah. But now I need to get this room cleaned up. So let's do that.
But the tension is
okay. We're gonna watch a lead. I think I'm gonna put headphones in so it's not in y'all ear. So let me get my headphones. Also, how cute the ring light. It has like a remote that can come off, and then you can like make it like you wind this thing, and then the light gets brighter. Or I can go down like that, and then we can do, okay, let me turn it up. If it's like this, now I can wind this side, and it can get warm or cool. Like, that's tea. I'm actually so excited about that. Tea. Let me know if y'all want that link. I'm gonna put it down below. Needed that water. Let's get the show on the road. The stuff that I'm gonna wear to the trip, I'm gonna put up, I think. I'm just gonna, maybe I'll just put them in a drawer. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them in, and I have this bag of clothes that needs to go to Goodwill so bad. So I'm gonna put this at the door because I know myself. I'm so good at forgetting. So going to the Goodwill. Going to the Goodwill. It's going to the Goodwill. It's going to the Goodwill. Like, no funnies. It needs to go. When I first did this closet, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna keep all these hangers the same. But let's be for real now. Sometimes that's not how the cookie crumbles. And right now, when I find a hanger that works, I just use the hanger that works. Except for on my pants, I try to keep that like the same hanger. Okay, y'all, we are done cleaning. I probably have to do some laundry, but the room is put together finally, so I'm gonna call a win. A win is a win, okay? So for the rest of the day, I think, because the rest of the house is clean, we'll reset. I really want to go for a walk. I really do. But I think it's a little late. Hey Siri, what time is it? Hey Siri. What time is it? 6:44. Okay, stop, Siri. Okay, they be want to listen too hard. Okay, it's 6:44. So low key, I'm thinking a little walk, and then a little grocery shop, and then come back to the house. But I also wanted to film some content. I want to do like a summer makeup routine, and then I want to do a summer like summer staples, like my shoes, shoes I'll be wearing this summer type thing. And then I'm gonna hit the streets. So actually, let's do that content and then go. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, we're gonna do a little content because I've been please, I can't even talk about how behind I am on filming, but I think this might be a fun thing to film, so I'm gonna do it. And I'm contemplating if I want to brand it as like summer makeup or do I want to brand it as work makeup. I don't know. I'm just gonna do my makeup. Just wanna be your girl. Do I want a 0.5? I think I want it to be right here. And I wonder if you even notice me anymore. You gotta feel me. Gonna love you, girl. I think that's it, right? Just brows. Right, that's what I was doing. Just brows and blush, really. Wonder if you even notice anymore. Okay. Okay, we got a TikTok. And now do I want to do a styling video? Honestly, I might as well, even though it's just gonna be what I always do. Just like that, we done. Okay, the next video is about the shoe. So I'm gonna do like a little shoe walking video for TikTok, kind of showing like, you know, my summer staples. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do real quick. I'm gonna do it in the mirror. It's gonna be, ooh, cutesy. Oh, you're kind of in the way, sadly. Don't know what to see right now, but okay, onto this one. Literally, that's the video. Just some clips of me walking around, and I think that's gonna be a cute, just, you know, filler video, if anything. Okay, y'all. I think this is the end of the episode. Well, am I gonna go on a walk? Are we gonna do that? Low key, I got nothing else on the agenda, so maybe we do go on the walk and get our little steps in. That actually doesn't seem like a bad idea, because at 7 o'clock it looks like the rain or whatever rain there was is gone. I can do a little hour walk, come back and eat. The thing is, the problem is I'm kind of hungry right now, but I'll find something to eat. Okay, we're gonna walk, so let's go. Okay, I left and then I changed my mind because it is so gloomy outside, and I just ran up the stairs. I changed my mind. It's mad gloomy outside, and I think that rain's gonna come very soon. That's what my iPhone said. So I said, you know what? I'm popping to the grocery store real quick and get home. So, oh, I have a couple groceries. Let me show you. Okay, this week's haul, obviously. Sweet potato chips and some more seaweed and some more tuna, some sriracha, because I'm kind of been really obsessed with like tuna, sriracha, avocado, you know what I mean? We got some Sun Gold kiwi. I'm gonna try. I bought some other kiwis. I didn't even eat them, but I'm gonna eat those. And then I got 2 energy drinks. I tried this brand VV prebiotic energy. I actually really liked it, and it was a little cheaper than Celsius and stuff. So we're gonna try those. And then I just got rice avocado. I have stuff to make dinner, so I just bought stuff to make like lunch, snacks. Yeah, but yeah, that's all I went out and did. In the meantime, now this is gonna be the end of the video, okay? Thank you all so much for watching this quite literal little blip of reset and some fun content and stuff behind the scenes. I really appreciate it. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We need to hit that milestone that we've been trying to get for years, okay? And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, babies.